Next, we're going to be learning backward walks. They're very similar to forward walks. The only difference is instead of rolling from the heel to the ball of the foot like we would in a forward walk, we're going to be rolling from the ball to the heel when we step. At udance.com, we realize that most of our dancers don't have a lot of space to work with. Maybe you're dancing in your living room or on the go. So please, before you start the step, make sure that you have plenty of space behind you because we will be moving backwards and you won't be able to see where you're going. Take smaller steps if you need to. To learn a backward walk, move forward as far as you can so you have plenty of space behind you. Have good posture, hands on your hips and head high. We're going to pick up our left foot and put the ball of our foot behind us and roll back through the heel. Ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, heel. Great. Now watch it from the side. I'm going to pick up my left foot. I'm going to go ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, heel. And again. I'm not being too bouncy with it. It should be very fluid movement. Great. Now let's try it with counts. Just like forward walks, each step will take 2 counts. It'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you try a count of 8 with me. Ready? Left foot up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's try it again. This time we'll go back for 8 counts, walk forward, and then go back again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Those are backward walks. Don't forget to practice.